Wrapping up our time in Auckland and we are getting out of the big city. We're heading to go pick up our camper van, which I cannot be more excited to just like get in nature. And then we're heading out to the beach. And so we are gonna have a beach night. Right? Yes, probably get a bottle of wine and just like kind of take a deep breath because we've been like go, go, go. And I can't wait to go meet her. It's my life. Life rocks when your living room rolls. Dude, that's awesome. Yes. One of these fans are going to be ours. We're not sure yet. Stay tuned. Oh, that's my husband. Okay. Yeah.
Name for your big
I know! Well, we were gonna call her Holly, but then I'm like, let's meet her and then we'll see.
Holly.
Hi, sweet girl. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I love it.
What I'll do, guys, is I'll show you around. So I'll start here, work my way around.
Okay.
Just teach you the basics so when you're out on the road, you guys know where to go and stuff.
Okay.
Cool. Do you know what this is?
No.
This is your shower. No, I'm joking.
Oh, that would be amazing.
What?
Outside shower, no, I'm joking.
Okay. This doesn't open. Okay.
Oh wait, yeah, the driver's side. Okay.
Yeah, we drive on the other side.
I know. What the heck?
You're gonna probably go to the car and jump in like, oh.
I know. It's so weird.
So you have a bed up there and a bed downstairs.
Oh wow.
So you guys are amazed.
I know.
Yeah. We're like, this is huge.
I know.
Compared to what we thought.
I'm glad you guys like it. It's awesome.
It's cute. Can I get in there?
Yeah.
Do it. Whoa.
Oh my god. This is huge. I was not expecting this. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's like a real toilet. I thought it was going to be one that's like under the seat or something where you have to like pull it out.
Yeah, I thought you were going to be sitting out here.
Yeah. We're like fancy, man.
Yeah, no,
this is my dream. This is my dream. My dream. Erran is killing it.
Look at me go. Look at me go.
Oh my god. This is our first drive. We're going out to Piha Beach.
Baby bird.
Oh my god. Okay. So we made it to the gas station, to the grocery store, which was what, like less than a 10-minute drive.
Yeah.
And we went straight from the juicy place to what, a 6-lane highway, and Erran was in the fast lane and cars were trying to like get around us, and he was like, can you see if there's cars coming in my blind spot so I can get over? And I'm like, I can't. Like, I was basically freaking out, sweating and crying, and you were like super cool. Thank God for
She
you.
literally turned into like a baby bird, so baby bird is her new thing.
No. I don't want to be baby bird. Whoa, this is cool. We're gonna go do our little shopping to get
look at all the wine. Yes. We have no idea what our priorities are right now, but we did get wine. So that was
We're covering what am I trying to say here?
The basics
of what's important right now. You know what I'm saying? Look at those avocados. Those look beautiful.
They do. They're big.
All right, babe. Let's do what we need to do. That's all of our groceries.
We got it.
Gonna have a little hot dog tonight.
Oh yeah.
And some sides, and we got some wine.
Perfect.
I don't know how it's all gonna fit in the van, but
I know. We're gonna have to put it on top.
we're about to find out.
Apparently you're not allowed to film inside. I got in trouble. It's my first time getting in trouble filming.
We're almost there, actually.
We have 4 kilometers. Oh, look at that.
Okay. Oh gosh, never should have looked. Never should have looked. All right, good job. I'm out.
you?
Doing a video.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm going to keep going, then otherwise I'm setting up.
What's that?
I'm setting up.
Yeah, setting up.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Video setting up.
Stop you then. Okay, otherwise it looks like it takes twice as long.
I know. Well, I'm going to speed it up to like 800 times the speed.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
and we're
Nice.
done.
And we're done.
Good stuff.
Yeah. Welcome to our new home. This is Holly. This is going to be our home for the next 23 days. Come on inside. So this is it. This is the digs. This is our couch, and then we have like storage under here, and then our bed, we're going to be sleeping up here somehow. We haven't quite figured that out yet. And then, oh, best part, hold on, wait for it.
Boom, shakalaka.
We're gonna take this down to the beach right now. We have our bathroom and our shower in here. And then this is our cute little kitchen where Aaron's gonna make me some hot dogs tonight.
That's right.
That's about it.
And there's the back sunroof.
I show them the best part with the I love the
Coming in
outdoor.
there, like,
Okay.
included us a little table,
And some chairs.
some chairs.
Sit out here and
check
have some
this
wine
out.
tonight.
In the back.
And then show the view of the ocean.
Yep, ready?
Right through these trees, they're right here.
It's a little
We've
bright.
got the Pacific Ocean.
Yep, like right
It's
there.
like two-
We have a friend. We arrived at a campsite at Piha Beach. We got moved in. We moved in.
She's so cozy. Honestly, I'm kind of blown away. I thought it was going to be a lot smaller, but we're going to get really comfy in here, and I'm super pumped to call little Kiki home for the next month.
So she was Holly, now she's Kiki.
We're getting more Kiki vibes.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, but I'm kind of feeling that, or Juju.
Juju, I like
But then
Juju.
that's what we call your mom, so then
I
it's
know.
kind of like
I know,
weird.
that is.
With
We got some cheese and crackers. Got a little Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand. I'm about to
having-
cook up some hot dogs, and we're gonna
We're
call
just
it a night.
having like a vibe. We're having like a whole vibe. We just took showers. It was like the best shower of my life after sitting in Orange Theory sweat, like funk clothes all day.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna sleep and relax and enjoy our first night in camping.
Edit some more videos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can upload them.
Yeah.
See.
Yeah.
That's
But yeah,
it.
that's it. So we are gonna call it a night.
First night in our camper van so far.
So good.
Feels really good. I'm gonna go eat some truffle cheese now.
Good night.